Hello and welcome to ThreatAnalyzer Virtual Appliance Configuration Part 2. Now let's go ahead and boot up the ThreatAnalyzer Virtual Appliance server and log into the console. A couple things that we'll need to have ready. We'll need to have our username, our password, and the license key that we received from the sales rep. Now while this is booting up, you'll see that by default it's set to DHCP. If you already have a DHCP environment set up, then you'll be able to skip part of the configuration steps that I'll indicate here in a bit. Okay, so let's go ahead and log in using the credentials displayed here. And in this particular case, we're using a static IP address, so we'll need to go ahead and configure our IP address. Once we're done, we're ready to save the file and exit our editor and restart networking services. At this point, we can check to make sure that our IP configuration is saved. From here, we'll want to make sure that we're in the Home TAS folder and run ta_change_ip.sh to finalize our changes. At this point, we're ready to connect to the ThreatAnalyzer server via the web browser. So we connect to HTTP and then the IP address of the virtual server. Once we've connected, we should see an initial start page. Here we'll want to fill out our license key, once again, that you should have received through your sales rep. Our name, password, and email address. Click Confirm Setup. Check your configurations and save and continue. At this point, you're presented with the initial login page. If we go click on Admin, under the server area, we'll click on Configuration. Next, we'll click on VM Servers in the menu area, Create VM Server. Enter a name for our VM server. Select the server type. Enter in the IP address of the ESX server, a user and password to connect, and save changes. This concludes ThreatAnalyzer Virtual Appliance Configuration Part 2.